Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the uniform circular motion. This is Science 8, Quarter 4, Week 3. For objectives, define uniform circular motion and explain why an object moving at constant speed can still be accelerating. Identify how direction change causes acceleration in circular motion and appreciate the role of circular motion concepts in everyday situations such as transportation and machines. For activity, let us answer these questions. Motion of an object traveling at constant speed along a circular path. Okay, uniform circular motion. Change in speed, direction, or both. Okay, that is acceleration. Speed with direction, velocity. A straight line that touches a curve at any one point, tangent. Tendency to move toward the center of a circular path. Okay, that is centripetal. Tendency to move away from the center of a circular path. Okay, this is the opposite of centripetal. This is centrifugal. The path followed by an object after it is released from circular motion. Okay, the tangential path or the point of tangency. Motion shown by an electric fan blade while spinning. Okay, circular motion. Quantity that changes in uniform circular motion even when speed is constant. Okay, that is direction. Type of motion experienced by vehicles turning around a rotonda. Okay, uniform circular motion. Okay, you are riding a jeepney that is smoothly turning around a rotonda. Even though the jeepney's speed stays the same, you feel yourself being pulled sideways as it turns. Ayan. Kapag halimbawa nasa kurbada po, ramdam natin yung pagsandal natin doon sa wall ng jeep. At yung force na yon that moves us inward is the so-called the centripetal force. Guided questions. Is the jeepney's speed changing as it goes around the rotonda? Sometimes it has a constant speed. Lalo na kapag yung curve naman niya ay smooth. So, does the direction of motion change while turning? Okay, of course, yes. Kasi kapag lumiliko, automatic yan, maraming pagbabago ng direction. If direction changes, is the jeepney accelerating? Okay, yes, because there are conditions in order to accelerate. Either increase or decrease in speed and change in direction. What type of motion does the jeepney experience? Okay, that is the uniform circular motion. Okay, in everyday life, many objects move in circular paths. Vehicles turning around rotondas, amusement park, side rides, electric fans, and even planets orbiting the sun. Although these objects may move at a constant speed, they are still accelerating because the direction of motion continuously changes. This type of motion is called uniform circular motion. So kahit hindi po magbago ang bilis, basta nagbabago ng direction, nag-a-accelerate po siya. Okay, let us unlock this content vocabulary. Okay, centrifugal, tending to move away from the center. Okay, ito po yung centrifugal, yung kulay pulang arrow. And then the centripetal tending to move toward the center. Halimbawa, yung nasa jeep ka nga, pag nagkurbada, yung katawan natin, ang tendency parang papalayo, papalabas. Yun yung centrifugal. At yung pagtulak naman sa atin, papasok nung wall ng jeep, that is the centripetal. Acceleration, a change in speed, direction, or both. And then velocity, speed with direction. And then the tangent, ito yun, a straight line that touches a curve at one point without crossing it. So, ang tawag naman po dun sa point na nagtamaan yung circle and then yung tangent line is the point of tangency. Okay, what is uniform circular motion? Uniform circular motion refers to the movement of an object that travels at a constant speed along a circular path. Even though the speed does not change, the object is accelerating because its direction of velocity is always changing. So, kagaya nga ng planet na umiikot around the sun, although constant yung speed niya, tinuturing pa rin siya na nag-accelerate because it changes direction. Okay, an object accelerates when, ito yung tatlong condition, its speed changes, dalawa po yan, nagdagdag or nabawasan. Kapag nadagdagan, that is positive. Kapag bumagal, that is negative acceleration. At ang sunod, its direction changes or both change. Nagbago ng speed, nagbago ng direction, yun, acceleration din po yun. Pero kahit hindi nagbago ng speed pero nagbago ng direction kagaya ng uniform circular motion, still the object is accelerating. In circular motion, acceleration happens because of direction change, not speed change. Okay, at any point along a circular path, the object's velocity points along a tangent to the circle. This is called tangential velocity. Ayan yung nasa picture. If the object is released from the circular path, it will move straight along the tangent, not toward the center. So, papalayo po yan. Kagaya nung ginagamit na slingshot. yung mga makalumang pang armas na ginagamit po yung slingshot papaikutin. Pag release no, that is the tangential velocity. Okay, period and speed. The period represented by capital letter T is the time it takes for an object to complete one full revolution around the circle. The relationship between speed, radius, and period is V is equals to 2 pi r over T, wherein the V is the speed, the R is the radius of the circle, and then the T is the period. And then the pi has a constant value of 3.14. So, centripetal acceleration, an object in circular motion experiences an inward acceleration called centripetal acceleration. So, the formula for computing the centripetal acceleration is A sub c, or the centripetal acceleration, is equals to v squared, or the speed, and then divide by the radius. The radius, para mas maintindihan po natin, is mula doon sa gitna ng circle up to the circle, yung any point on the circle. From the center of the circle to any point on the circle, that is the radius. Always directed toward the center, that is centripetal. Changes the direction of velocity, not the speed. For an object to move in a circular path, there must be a net force directed toward the center. This force is known as centripetal force. Ulit po ha, yung force na papasok, papunta sa center is the so-called the centripetal force. And then the formula is for centripetal force is equals to m, or the mass, times the square of the velocity divided by the radius. Kasi involved po yung circular motion. Kaya may radius. So where m is mass, v is speed, and r is radius. This force is responsible for keeping the object moving in a circle. So kung titingnan po natin sa formula, the greater the velocity, yung mabilis yung ikot, kapag in-release yan, mas malakas. And then doon naman sa mass, the greater the mass of the object, the greater the force. Okay, samples of centripetal force, tension in a string. Ayan. Sa pulley. Ayan. Friction between tires and the road. Ayan, example po yan ng centripetal force. Gravitational force on orbiting planets. Okay, uniform circular motion happens when an object moves at a constant speed along a circular path. Acceleration occurs not because of speed change, but because of continuous change in direction. Velocity is always tangent to the circular path. Objects moving in circles are always accelerating. Yun. Kasi nga, nagbabago lagi ng direction. Okay, conclusion, uniform circular motion refers to motion at constant speed along a circular path. Even though the speed does not change, the object is accelerating because its direction of motion continuously changes. This shows that acceleration can occur even without a change in speed. So, kahit hindi magbago ng speed, mayroon pa ring acceleration because of the change in direction. Okay, let us answer these questions.